everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine at your end. Well, I know December is the month when people would be busy enjoying with their friends and families, because this is the festive month when you feel like going out on exotic vacations and enjoying with your friends and family. So here we are, me and my husband at Goa. Yes, actually this has been, the destination which we have been planning since 2015, but somehow we couldn't make it. But this time, as we were near to Goa, so we thought of this time we have to make the plan and we have to get there. So finally we are in Goa, and actually we reached yesterday on 26th, and we started our journey on 25th of December, and we reached Goa on 26th December. And we are staying at Mayfair Hideaway Resort, and to my great surprise, the resort is amazing. And if you want to spend some quiet and soothing and relaxing time amid serenity, then this is the best place in Goa. So we have reached yesterday, but yesterday we were so tired, so we couldn't go out and explore. We were just exploring the resort. So I have made a few videos regarding that. So I'll be making a separate video for the hotel tour. And today we are going to explore the North Goa, and tomorrow we will be exploring the South Goa. Yes, let me tell you that I'll be making a separate video for the hotel tour, the North Goa vlog, and the South Goa vlog. So please stay tuned. This is the gallery of our resort. As you can see, there's plants and greenery all around. It's really refreshing to walk through such greenery right in the morning.